Hey, 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 Facebook. Happy New Year. How's everybody doing? Well, I have not been on here in a minute and I'm not going to keep you long, but I'm super, super excited. And I've been kind of waiting to share this with everybody. I don't know why, but just kind of excited and ready to share it with the world. You guys, I know I've been in health and wellness for a while now. Hey, Sherry girl. Hey, Teresa. I've been in health and wellness for a while now, offering some really great products throughout the years and having some pretty good success. And I am so excited to be able to introduce to you guys a brand new product and a concept that is going to disrupt the entire health and wellness industry. You guys, we have something so special and so unique that, oh my gosh, it's going to change so many lives. And I want to be one of the first to tell you about it because it's not even out there yet, like for real, for real. So what I want to share with you is the unboxing of my very own DNA kit. Okay, this is my DNA nutrition. Okay, the name of the company is Uforia. And this kit contains a DNA swabs and samples that I'm going to use to swab the inside of my mouth and send my DNA in to get tested to see what my body needs, to see what variants and what things and traits that my parents handed down to me that can be offset by nutrition that's designed specifically for me. So no more guessing like, will this pill work? Will this multivitamin work? What should I take? Just putting all this stuff into my system just because I've joined a company, right? This is specific DNA testing that is going to tell exactly what I need to take for my body. We are all unique individuals, and there should not be one specific thing that's right for everybody because we're all so different. So hey Kathleen, hey Trina, I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So listen, this Uforia DNA kit, it comes with 2 swabs that I'm going to use to swab both cheeks, okay, which I'm going to do in a minute. It comes with the envelope that I'm going to put it in. And it also comes with a prepaid envelope that I can just drop in the mail and send it off to be tested. Now, what's cool about this testing is that it's HIPAA compliant. Okay, I got testing done for 23andMe last year for Christmas. And guess what, guys? I didn't know it was not HIPAA compliant. And they sold my DNA stuff to some drug company. Okay, well, we are HIPAA compliant, okay, which means your information will not be bought or sold or shared with anyone. As a matter of fact, once I send it in, it's going to give me a barcode that I'm going to use, that they're going to use from now on to send me my see, there's the barcode, right? It's going to give me a barcode, and when I send this in, I'm going to register it on the site, and then I'll be known as a barcode. So listen, this is so freaking exciting, you guys. I also get a $100 off coupon for all my lab work, okay? So they're going to formulate a specific nutrition just for me, you guys, just for me, okay? So yep, do not sell your information. Nope, we do not sell your information. I even get a little bumper sticker in here, guys, or maybe I can put it on my computer, right? So anyway, this is what comes in the kit, but guess what? This is so huge. This is so huge. This also comes in the kit. This is called Pre-trition, and it has 180 veggie caps in here, which is going to give me a gentle detox and get my body ready to receive my own personal nutrition supplement. Is that not cool or what? So while I'm waiting for my DNA test, right, I get to take these supplements that are going to detox and cleanse and prepare my body for the DNA nutrition, which only makes sense, right? You got to get the junk out so that you can fill it up with the good stuff, right? Hey, Maxine, Tanya, and Reese. Thanks for joining me. So listen, I'm going to start taking these today. I know it's a little late in the afternoon, but you take it twice a day. So I'll catch the second dose today. So I'm going to start taking these to help get my body ready for my nutrition. So here I go, you guys. This is so cool. So you guys are going to watch me swap my DNA. So this is the first stick that I'm going to use. And I'm going to open it up here. And nothing special, just a swab, right? So we're going to swab my cheek. It said hold, work it around. About 10 seconds. So that's the first one. And then we just drop it in this envelope that is sterile. And then we do the second cheek. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get my nutrition. So listen, not only do you get the nutrition, right, but you get a 35-page report that actually shows you everything that, you know, is deficient in your body. It shows you whether you got it from one parent or whether you got it from both parents. Okay, so now, like I said, there's no guessing. You can even take this to your doctor and say, hey, this are some of the things that, you know, I'm working on right here. And they can be able to, you know, help better give you care. So let's do the second side. All right. Okay, I think that's good. And I'm going to drop that. So you do it twice to make sure that they have a good sample, okay? And then we're going to just seal it up. And I guess I need to lick this. Now, sad part is this is not available in the state of New York because they got something against spit going through the mail, which I really don't understand because people lick stamps and envelopes just like I did every single day. So this is, I'm going to mail this off, right? Where's the camera? There we go. It's already prepaid and everything. I just have to drop it in the mail. So you guys, that's it. So now I start taking my pre-trition. All right, I got a whole box of these pre-trition caps to get myself ready for when my DNA comes. So my DNA supplements come, and you can get the supplement in a capsule like this, or you can get it in a powder. So if you like to make shakes and stuff like that, you can have your own personalized nutrition in a powder form or in a capsule. I'm going to probably go with the capsule because I'm not a big shake person. And if it sounds like too much work, I'm not going to do it. So listen, guys, this is so super exciting to me. You know, to have my own personal nutrition that's going to actually come with my name on it. Okay, so nobody else can really take my nutrition but me. So, you know, I don't want you to take it and, you know, think you can take it. You might start looking like me or something, right? Or talking like me. No, this is for me only. It's customized specifically for your DNA, which I think is the coolest thing ever. And really, really, guys, you know, if you're tired of guessing what might work for you, what might not work for you as far as vitamins and supplements, you know, get your DNA tested. Right? We get it tested for everything else, you know, to find out who we're related to. They told me I had some 13,000 relatives, most of them in California. I've never even really been to California but one time. So I don't know who these people are that's supposed to be DNA linked to me. However, I know that when my nutrition comes, it's going to be specific for me. Okay. None of those people that I'm DNA related to can take my nutrition still because it's for me. Okay. So you can get your own DNA nutrition, you guys. I'm excited to start taking this stuff. I've been hearing great results, even with just the pre-trition, how better people are feeling. Yep, it's going to come in 2 to 4 weeks. Thanks, Sherry Girl. That Sherry Girl, my sponsor, guys, she is so amazing. She is so dynamic. I love her to death. She introduced this to me, and I jumped on it right away because it only made sense. Okay, it only made sense, guys. So no more guessing. You know, no more blind nutrition. It's like the bird box, right? We're walking around into the store blind to see what this might work for me. This might work for me. We don't know. We don't know, because we don't know what our DNA says that we need, okay? We don't know what our bodies says that we need. Yeah, we can take a blood test, but the blood test is only getting a snippet of that moment, of how you're doing that particular moment, right? A DNA is going to tell you genetically what is precursor to you, what is deficient in your body, okay? And they're going to formulate all natural, no gluten, no GMOs. You know, it's vegan. It's great nutritional stuff, you guys. Stuff that you might have heard of in the past, right? You might have used some of these supplements in the past, but did you know if you had the right one? Did you know that you had the right amount for what your body needs? Yeah, sometimes we can be low in iron and we go get iron pills, but is that the right milligram of iron that we're supposed to be taking for us? Listen, you guys, it doesn't get no more clear than this, okay? Specific to what your body needs, okay? Specific to what your body needs. So no more guesswork. We're taking the guesswork out of nutrition. You know, like they were saying, you know, in a few years from now, you know, kids will probably be saying, what do you mean you guys took all the same nutrition? Right? Makes sense, right? So listen, if you want more information, go visit my website, My DNA Nutrition, okay? So I'm now a nutritionist, okay? I'm now a nutritionist that can help you get your DNA tested at a very affordable cost, very, very affordable cost. You know, I heard one young lady said that her doctor was going to charge her like $1,800 for a DNA test, right? Well, this is like $159, you guys, for your own personal nutrition every single month. So listen, and when they have new SNPs and new tests new variants that they're testing, they'll actually add that to your supplement and reformulate it for you. Okay, it doesn't get no better than that. Okay, so listen. Get with me on this. I would love to show you how it works and get your own designer nutrition formulated specifically for you. Say hi to my grandson. He wants to be in the video too. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. See you guys on the other side of healthy. Talk to you soon.